Hi everyone, welcome to JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to run your JMeter test directly from Jenkins. This is a great way to automate performance testing and integrate it into your CI/CD pipeline. We will go step by step. If you are new, you can follow along easily. So let's begin. First step 1, install Jenkins. Open Chrome browser and search Jenkins download. Click on Windows. After clicking on Windows, you can thank you for downloading Windows installer. I have already installed Jenkins. So let's quickly, I will show you how you can install Jenkins in your system. Click on this Windows installer and click on Jenkins, preparing to install, and then click on next. This is the location in which Jenkins will be installed. Now click on next. After clicking on next, here two options: login type, run service as local system, run service as local or domain user. So click on run service as local system, click on next, click on test port, and then click on next. Make sure JDK 17 or 21 have in your system, otherwise you will get an error. So you can change your JDK path. Click on next. Failed to find compatibility Java version. So we need to select a here version. Click on Java, click on JDK 21, and then click on OK. Click on next, and then click on installed. Now Jenkins is installing. You can view here. Please wait while setup, updating component registration. After installing, I will show you how you can set up. Jenkins has been installed successfully. Click on finish. Step 2, save test plan. Open JMeter and click on file, click click on open here. You need to click on open. Click on open. We will use login example. So click on open. Can view here thread group login JSR post processor. In previous tutorial, I have explained in a detail. You can watch this video and auth HTTP header manager. So let's quickly open Jenkins. For opening Jenkins, you need to type localhost and then enter port. Click on localhost 8080. Step 3, open Jenkins. Now, after opening Jenkins, you need to install performance plugin in Jenkins. Step 4, install performance plugins. Click on here manage. After clicking on, click on plugins, add or remove. You can add plugins here if any update coming in Jenkins. So you can view here updates 21 updates available. You can simply click on this one and then click on update. So plugins will be update. This is available plugins. You can search plugins here, and this is the installed plugins. If you want to add any plugins, so just click on this checkbox and then click on installed. Here you can view installed plugins. All installed plugins will be displayed here. Let's check plugins. You can view here performance plugin and enable. This is the health, and you can view here this plugin allow tracking performance KPI based on results. For installing this plugin, you need to search here performance, mark this checkbox, and then click on install. Now add new atom for running JMeter test plan into Jenkins. Step 5. Add new atom. Step 5. Add new atom. Click on Jenkins and then click on new atom. Enter an atom name here, performance testing. Click on freestyle project. After clicking on freestyle project, click on OK. Now here you need to enter description and command. You can enter description here. Scroll down. After scrolling down, you need to add build setup. Select here execute Windows batch command and then enter command here. You need to enter command here. First enter the path of JMeter batch file. Open JMeter path here. Can view here bin and then JMeter dot bat. Right click here, properties, copy this complete path, enter path here first, bin, and then enter file name here, JMeter dot bat. Now for running JMeter in command line, you need to enter -n -t and then enter the path of JMX file. JMX file, you can filter file type here. Click on JMX file, login.jmx, copy this complete path, login.jmx. This is the file name. Enter path here, -n -t, and then enter path here, /login.jmx. Make sure enter extension here, otherwise you will get an error, and then enter -l and then enter path here for generating JTL file .jtl, double quote here, -e -o, and then enter the path in which the report will be saved. Suppose you want to save the report in this path, so enter here in bin and then create a new folder. Inside bin folder, double quote here. Let's understand about this command. First you need to enter your JMeter.batch file path and then enter -n -t. -n means run in non-GUI mode for Jenkins automation, and -t is the path to your .jmx test plan, and -l path to save JTL result file, -e and -o, which is used for generate HTML report in the specified folder. Now we can click on save. Here in this command we need to make some changes. After bin, we need to enter here slash result dot ktl. Now click on save and then click on build now. Now build scheduled. You can view here. This is the time and estimated remaining time. It will take some time for running the test because it will generate a report. HTML report will be generated after execution. You can view here success and then click on this build, click on console output. In console output you can view the details, scroll down and report generated successfully. Open the path and here one folder has been created successfully, which is report. Open this report and then click on index. In this report you can view source file, which is result.jtl, start time, end time, and scroll down, pass 100%. There no failure, so fail 0, and this is the report statics. Error 0%, average, minimum, maximum, median, and received and sent. There are no errors, so you can view here no record of error. In the chart section you can view here our time, bytes, throw output. Custom graphs also available here. Click on response times in percentage, response times overview, request having one request, and on request having time. Response time ranges, you can filter these records. So that's all for today tutorial. Running JMeter on Jenkins and automate your performance test. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.